Marvel Rivals stuck at loading, 99% or 0% fix. I'm going to tell you how to fix Marvel Rivals if it gets stuck at 99% or 0% on the loading screen. If you're stuck at the loading screen, the first thing to try is restarting the game and checking your internet connection. If that doesn't help, verify the game files through your game launcher to fix any corrupted or missing data. Updating your graphics drivers and running the game as an administrator can also resolve some issues. But some players have found that switching to the Steam version of the game fixes the problem. So if you're using the Marvel launcher, try moving to Steam and launching the game from there. If you're still stuck, clearing the game cache or reinstalling might be necessary. Lastly, check for official server issues, as sometimes the problem isn't on your end.